everybody. Welcome to Research Circle. Welcome back. Now, the topic for today's discussion is how solar panel functions. Everything you need to know about the solar panel. So, in a time when we are constantly hearing about our natural resources are getting depleted, solar panel system are something that gets lot of attention. Our awareness about renewable energy sources indeed needs to increase by a lot, but for some reason, people are still not taking this very seriously. So, we are not trying to scare you about anyone off by saying this, but when it comes to saving our planet, we need to act with urgency because we are on the brink of many disasters. So, one of the easiest yet effective measures that we can take is implementing solar panel to replace electricity. We know our planet is blessed with light and warmth of the sun. So why don't we use what we offer to fluent extent? So in this particular video, we'll talk about the solar panels, what they are and how they functions. So if you are interested learning some more, make sure you continue watching this video. Now the first point come here is what are solar panel? Many people already know about it, but if you happen to be someone who never heard about solar panel because might be you haven't seen this, solar panels are considered to be one of the best innovations that we know. They are larger atom that can be replaced as a rooftop or can be placed on the top of your home or everywhere else where the sun can reach them, and they convert the sunlight into electricity which can be used for anything that you want. When they come first, people were pretty fascinated by the idea having renewable energy source, but they weren't as efficient as the ones we have today, which is an even better reason to consider using them. Now, how do they function? So, when you place a solar panel on the roof of your home, as soon as the sun come up, the panel starts absorbing the photons. What happens next is where things start to get pretty interesting. Every solar panel has a conductor and a silicon part which can convert the sunlight into direct current or simply said electricity. So after this conversion is completed, the electricity flows in the inverter. Now, since the electricity that we have so far is DC not AC, there are still some work that need to be done before we can use it for daily needs. The inverter has a role of converting DC supply to AC, and after we get our alternative current, we can start using it for anything that we want. Sorry. So anything that not used goes back into the grid. Pretty simple. Okay. So although silicon by itself is not a very conductive material, the type of silicon found in this panel is not purest that you can find, and it is coated with an anti-reflective material to prevent the sunlight, or should we say the photons, from bouncing anywhere. So if no such coating is used, all the photons will just bounce away instead of getting stored in the panel. Simply put, because silicon is very reflective and shiny by nature. Now you are probably wondering what happens on the days when the sun is blocked by clouds. Well, you always have the option to buy some electricity from the nearest provider, but that happens rarely, isn't something that you need to be concerned about. So why is this considered to be a severe? Now the population on our planet is constantly increasing by a lot, but that's not the ease with our natural resources such as a fossil fuel and oil. So while we constantly get more people on the earth, the resources are slowly getting depleted, and if we don't do anything about it, we will soon get a point where life will be endangered. Luckily, solar panels can change that, but only if more people learn about them and understand the benefits of using them. Sure, So it's an investment that might seem a bit too much at the first, but will pay off after just a couple of years. And then you are left with a free, natural, and renewable energy resources. It doesn't have to be boring. Now, if you have ever wanted to swimming pool or a hot tube in your home as an upgrade, you can power them basically for a free if you have solar panel installed. Imagine always having a warm water in your swimming pool even during the winters. So that would really cost you a lot if you were do it with another source of electricity. But with this panel, all you need is a clear sky and you are completely set off for the day. After your initial investment pays back, all of the extra energy that you getting can be used for many interesting and fun things. You already have more than enough for your basic things such as lights in your home and hot water. So feel free to use the rest of anything such as a powering of a few hot tubes. Now they are very durable. If you are currently wondering whether it is worth to invest in the solar panel because you are questioning their durability, we are here to convince you. According to the statistics, these panels can last an entire lifetime and you won't have to change them in the near future. So, as for maintenance, they require no maintenance except maybe washing them every couple of months, but even that it is not needed. The next, and I think it is an important point, that governments offer to fund. If you let your stake know that you want to upgrade to the renewable energy resources or this solar panel, they will offer some kind of financial help or subsidy if you can't purchase the panel by yourself. Numerous campaigns and actions are going on almost every country because the awareness is slowly rising to a point where people will start feeling guilty for using any other energy resources rather than renewable ones. So we can conclude here, we are nothing losing by installing solar panels, but definitely it will pays you back after a couple of years. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider this and share this to every known person to you because we all need this at a time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.